Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power, and then at the back side of the earbuds, of the charging case, we have a USB-C port. So connect the USB-C cable right at this port, and at the front side of the charging case we can see this LED light. So it means that it's charging. Also, we can use your phone to charge these earbuds, and we have a few different options how to use it. The first one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second USB-C cable to the charging to the USB-C port at the back side of the earbuds. And we can also see this LED light, so it's also charge your earbuds. Also, your earbuds support wireless charging, so you can use wireless charging station. You just put it on this station, and firstly we can see this LED light at the wireless charging station, but maybe your charging station do not support it. This LED light having it, so we can check it also at the LED light in the charging case, and as you can see it also charge your earbuds. Now the last one is to use your phone again. If your phone support wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, you can enable it in the settings, and you also just put your earbuds on your phone, and we can see this LED light here also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.